Today I'm here at Roosevelt Lake and I'm about ready to hike a section of the Arizona Trail at Vineyard Trailhead. Behind me you can see this bridge and this lake is just incredible. And I got up today at 4, so I'm going to start off first by having a nice hot cup of coffee here by the lake and enjoying the view before I start this hike. It was a beautiful drive here, scenic the entire way. I did record it because it was just so pretty. It was during sunrise, so be looking for that video too. But you can hear the birds singing, the cloud cover. That's something you don't see very often here in Phoenix. And it's the beginning of May and the high is 70. That's just unheard of. So it's gonna be a really, really great hike today. I'm just so excited. Vineyard Trail. This is also part of the Arizona Trail. And you park across the road there. This first section of the trail sure starts off steep. Really pretty views though of Lake Roosevelt behind me. So I would call this a very strenuous trail, but you get rewarded with this view. So I've been just taking some breaks here and there and looking at the view and then plugging away again. Very pretty. The trail has leveled off. It's not as steep as it was, and I'm glad. Now I can really take in the views and not be huffing and puffing the whole time. Very pretty. The cloud cover is just something that I don't get very often hiking here in Arizona. So this is a rare treat for me. So beautiful. The high today is in the low 70s in May. Again, very rare. In 5 days, it's supposed to be 100. And that is more the norm. So I'm taking advantage of this day. So thankful it happened to land on a day that I don't have to go to work. So I'm definitely going to be taking full advantage of today. You can see all the burnt trees. There was a fire here. I didn't realize until I moved here how common forest fires are here in Arizona. There's several near Phoenix every single year. Some of them man-made, some lightning. Mostly man-made. Last year, the one that bothered me the most was the siphon draw fire that destroyed hundreds of saguaros in one of my favorite little areas in the Superstition Mountains. And that was man-made. I haven't been back to that particular spot since. I think I'm just kind of avoiding it because I really don't want to see firsthand what it looks like now. Very interesting section of the trail. It's all these rocks, all these loose rocks, and boy, how precarious does that look? Doesn't look like they can just tumble down at any time. And then you can see it just goes all the way down here, like a little rock avalanche. So I'm past Vineyard Trail, and now I'm just on the Arizona Trail. And again, you can see all these rocks. Not a very stable path here. The lake is really pretty right now. It's changed color. It's almost like a turquoise now. I haven't seen a single person this whole time. You can see across the lake in the mountains it's raining. It's been really windy and really gusty. You can see all the storm clouds back behind me. It's made flying my drone really stressful. You can also hear all the birds chirping. I feel like birds chirp a lot like that when it's about to rain or when the weather's changing. I'm getting sprinkled on. Thankfully, I'm close to the car. Maybe another half mile or so. The smell of rain in the desert is absolutely amazing. I think it's from an oil from the creosote bushes. But it smells amazing right now. I wish you could smell it. It's really coming down now. Well, that was quite the rain shower, and it was thundering too. The sun's peeking out again, so that's good. Pretty much the car. But I'm gonna keep this rolling in case it thunders. You don't hear thunder here much. Going back to the lake, and I'm so excited to eat my sandwich. I am so hungry. It only rained on me for a little while. See all the clouds. So pretty here.